Good morning, students. Today in this video we are going to study how animals are different from each other with respect to their sleep. Sleeping of animal is different from each other and they are based on some factors, and one of them is sleeping time. Means time of the animals sleep is different from each other. Some animals sleep in daytime while some animals sleep in the night time. As you have seen, some animals like dogs, cats and birds, these are the animals they sleep in the night. So they are the animal who are active in daytime but they are inactive in night, so they sleep in the night time. There are some animals like mice, owls or bats, etc. These are the animals who sleep in the daytime. Means they do most of their activities in the night and they use their daytime to sleep. So we can say that all animals do not sleep in the night. Some animals sleep in the daytime and some animals sleep in the night time. Sleeping places. As different animals had different sleeping time, means some sleeps in daytime, some sleeps in night time. Same way they also have variety in their sleeping places. Means different animals sleep at different places, like zebras, giraffe and elephants. These are the animals who feel safe and they may prefer to sleep out in the open. So these animals sleep in the open places. Now there are some animals like moles, rabbits. These are the animals who sleep in their burrows. And if you take the example of birds, they usually sleep in their holes or in their nests. So you can see that some animals sleep, and when they sleep they usually hide themselves from others. They sleep at some safe place where no one can see while they are sleeping. So why they are sleeping at hidden place? So that no one can harm them. Now we have seen that there are some animals who prefer to sleep in open places, while there are some animals who prefer to sleep at hidden places. Apart from them, there are some animals who prefer to sleep underwater, like seals and hippos. These are the animals who sleep underwater for a very long time. Sleeping posture. Sleeping posture means the position of the animal's body while they are sleeping, means in which position they are sleeping. We have already studied about the sleeping position of the horses. So we learned that the horses sleep in standing up position. So why they sleep in the standing up position? So that they can run easily when they have fear from their predators. If they sleep in the lying down position, it will be difficult from them to stand first and then run away. Means it will take time for them to run away from the predators if they are in the lying down position. Okay. Now if we talk about the sleeping position of sleeping posture of bats, they sleep in the hanging upside down position. Hanging upside down position means they hang, and when they hang their head is towards the ground and their legs are at the upside. And when they hang from the high places, and this helps them to hide from the predators. Means the predators can't reach up to that height, so they save themselves from the predators in this way. Now you can see two things. One, that these bats are hanging from the high places. High places पे hang करने का फायदा ये हुआ कि जो उनके predators हैं वो उन तक easily नहीं पहुंच पाते, उतनी height तक वो उस पर पहुंच नहीं पाएंगे. ठीक है. And the other thing is hanging upside down position. ये इस hanging upside down position का फायदा क्या है? What is the benefit of this? Because in this position they can easily fly away. Means they can quickly fly away if needed. जब उनको ज़रूरत होगी तो वो बहुत easily fly कर सकते हैं. क्यों? Because to start their flight, उनकी flight को start करने के लिए उनको इस position में पहले आना ज़रूरी होता है. That is why they sleep in this position. ठीक है? In the inverted position, मतलब उल्टी direction में लेटे होते हैं वो. Now what we have studied, that the different animals varied from each other in their sleeping time. Some sleep more, some sleep less, and their sleeping places means some animals sleep in the open places, some animals used to hide themselves. And next is sleeping posture, means position of their body while they are sleeping. So we have studied so many things in this chapter, and our chapter number 8, searching for food, is completed now. Thank you.